In this video, we'll learn how to create a duotone effect in Krita using the gradient map filter. A duotone effect is an effect that uses two random colors to represent the original photo. Start by opening the image you want to apply the duotone effect to in Krita. In the Layers docker, add two filter layers to the layer stack. The first filter is a desaturate filter to make the photo black and white, and the second will be a levels filter. Although this step isn't necessary, it makes it easier to customize the duotone effect later. Now add a third filter layer. The filter we want this time is the gradient map filter, which is inside the map category. You should have two control points in this dialog to control the gradient. If you aren't seeing the second one, try resizing the dialog. The way the gradient map filter works is very simple. For every pixel on the image, a lightness value from 0% lightness to 100% lightness is calculated. Then the respective position in a gradient is consulted to figure out which color that pixel should be. In other words, a pixel with 50% lightness is mapped to the color in the middle of the gradient. By default, you may have a gradient that transitions from an opaque color to a transparent color. For this effect, you probably want both extremes of the gradient to have 100% opacity. Double-click on the control points to edit their color. Keep in mind that different hues have different brightnesses, red and blue being darker than yellow, green, and cyan. This means it's generally not possible to have pure yellow on the left side of the gradient, as it will always look brighter than whichever color you use on the right side. After choosing your colors, right-click on the Levels filters and click on Properties. Drag the input level control points to make the input range narrow and increase the contrast between the two tones. You can also adjust the output levels to make the colors less saturated. If you don't want to use all these filters, you can simply adjust the gradient map filter directly. The result will be more or less the same, but the gradient map filter doesn't display a histogram like the Levels filter does. The duotone effect seems to have origins in printing, and considering that we must blend two colors together with a gradient, it may not be a good idea to use the RGB color model for this. If all you're doing is applying a duotone effect to a photo, it might be worth experimenting with other color models by clicking on Image, Convert Image Color Space in the menu bar. Good alternatives are CMYK, which is used in printing, and the LB model, which should blend gradient colors better than RGB. This is how you add a duotone effect to an image in Krita. I'll add a link to the description where you can download a Krita file with this effect already added. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Krita tutorials.